What's up guys, I'm Dan and Techaholic, and welcome back to another video. So while I was looking around on the internet for deals, I stumbled upon some deals that you guys might want to know, say if you wanted to build your very first PC this holiday season or interested in picking up any parts to upgrade your rig. This is by no means a guide. I'm only giving you guys my personal recommendations as to what I think will be the best price to performance PC. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications to be notified of my latest uploads. And with that being said, let's get right into the PC parts. Also, every part that I mentioned will have links in the description box below. So making a PC is actually pretty simple. There are only 7 parts, which are the CPU, the motherboard, RAM, the GPU, storage, which comes in either SSD, M.2 SSD, or a hard drive, the PC case itself, and the power supply, along with the operating software, which for most of you will have some form of Windows 10, whether that be Windows 10 Home or Pro. First is the CPU. For this, we're going to go with the RYZEN 2200G. You can pick this up at Micro Center for about $80. Highest price you might pay for this would probably be on Amazon for around $100. It's really cheap quad core with Radeon Vega graphics, all for under $100. Next will be the motherboard. We will be going with the GIGABYTE AB350M motherboard from Newegg for only $50 at the time of this recording. It's Ryzen 2200 ready out of the box. It also has 4 DIMM slots for RAM if you ever want to upgrade to 16 or even 32 gigs of RAM. Speaking of RAM, the build will have only 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM from GeIL so that you can upgrade later in the future to 16 gigs of RAM. They're a pretty reputable company because I personally have bought RAM from them. It's fast and comes at a good price. For the next item, which is actually the GPU, I'm actually going to sort this into 2 different prices because the Ryzen 2200G actually comes with onboard graphics. But the GPU that we're going to go with is the Redragon RX 560 4GB variant from PowerColor. I've had a similar GPU earlier this year. It's perfect for 1080p gaming and it can easily hit 60 FPS in most AAA titles. Next is storage. Because this is 2018 and everything is getting a lot faster, I would insist on people getting an SSD. I highly recommend this KINGSTON 120GB SSD going for only $30. If you want that extra storage, I highly recommend the Western Digital Blue hard drive. It's a 1TB, 2TB, and I think it goes up to 4TB variants. I would highly recommend that later as an initial upgrade if you need to store any other games or recordings or etc. And finally, the power supply. So I'm going to recommend anything over 500 watts, which gives enough headspace if you say want to upgrade later down the line. Right now, I will recommend this one from Thermaltake mainly because it is the cheapest 500 watt I could possibly find online from Amazon and Newegg. And also it's 80+ bronze certified, going for only $50 at the time of this recording. But some places will have it a lot cheaper, such as from EVGA on both Amazon and Newegg. For the case, we're going to go with this ROSEWILL case. It goes for around $20. Last time I checked, it was out of stock, so I will have an alternate case suggestion down in the description box below. Last thing I see that most PC build videos forget to add, which is the OS or operating software cost. I don't recommend this, but you can actually buy a Windows 10 home key from KINGSTON for under $30 and you'll be perfectly fine. Usually Windows CD keys are usually $100 and you can actually get them on a huge discount on KINGSTON for only $30, and last time I checked it was about $26 if I'm not sure. So with the GPU, the price for the entire build comes to around $410 to $430 with adding shipping fees and taxes depending on where you may live. Without the GPU, it will take around $100 off the whole price. The exact number will be around $325 to $350 for the entire build. But that's it for the video, guys. I hope you find it really helpful this holiday season. Along with all the products that I talked about, there will be some great upgrade paths that I will also leave in the description box below. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video.
We've just all been going crazy. Too many people need to find themselves some safety. Just take control of your life, it's all day to day, yeah. Don't need nobody else, myself can always save. Sometimes I struggle in this place.